Border modernization is pushing out the border, facilitating low-risk travel, integrating enforcement, improving efficiency, increasing international harmonization, and excelling at client services.
Over 13,500 marine containers and air cargo loads arrive at our ports every day, bringing the goods of the world to the Canadian marketplace.
Another 27,000 highway shipments plus 200,000 postal and courier items enter the country each day.
This all amounts to an enormous boost to our economy.
Over 270,000 travelers by air, land, rail, and sea arrive every day. They come as visitors and as returning citizens.
For everyone seeking to enter the country, we are the first face they see. It is a tremendous opportunity to welcome the world to Canada.
Hello, bonjour. How are you, ma'am?
Over 13,000 employees work for the CBSA at the front line and in offices around the world. Our officers rely on the support of thousands of non-uniform staff who work hard to meet their needs.
It's a big job, and we do it very well, but we must continue to stay ahead of the curve. Border modernization is about innovating and transforming our operations. In every corner of our business, we are modernizing now and in the future. We are pushing out the border. We are making enforcement more effective and integrated through new tools, advanced targeting systems, and efficient communications.
The National Targeting Center is a world-class, fully integrated targeting program that is an integral part of the CBSA's operations. Our work helps the agency make key enforcement decisions. By working with CBSA personnel and partners, we are able to mount a coordinated enforcement response around the clock. Successes are adding up every day. We use complex tools, but our purpose is simple: stop the entry of high-risk people and goods as early as possible. We give the CBSA the information it needs to keep Canadians safe.
National Targeting Center, bonjour.
We work with intelligence and law enforcement partners at home and abroad to help protect national security. This includes protecting Canadians against an evolving but persistent terrorist threat. We also work with partners at our ports of entry to help keep Canadians safe from health risks such as H1N1 and Ebola. We are facilitating the flow of low-risk travelers and goods. Border modernization is leading the CBSA toward providing services with greater effectiveness and efficiency.
Nexus is a groundbreaking program designed to make it easier for low-risk travelers to enter Canada. As a result, our targeting efforts can focus on high-risk travelers. Nexus continues to innovate by expanding screening lines in pre-clearance areas at major Canadian airports. Building on our success, we are working towards third-country trusted traveler arrangements with the possibility of starting a North American arrangement with the United States and Mexico.
We are excelling at client services by providing consistent and quality service and continue to improve our infrastructure to support our officers at the front line and employees everywhere.
Improvements to our facilities help ensure the free flow of legitimate travel and trade across the border for years to come. Our investments demonstrate the agency's ongoing commitment to the safety and prosperity of our country.
We are also leading efforts for greater international harmonization through close intergovernmental partnerships and initiatives to streamline trade.
Border management is increasingly a global undertaking requiring active and ongoing engagement with many international partners. For example, the CBSA is working through the World Customs Organization to strengthen global supply chains to help encourage international trade as a driving force of our economy. The CBSA is a recognized leader in the global customs community, and we continue to lend our expertise to help build this capacity in a number of growing economies. All of this has a direct bearing on the trade that flows to and from Canada through our ports of entry.
Commitment to values and ethics is the very foundation of border modernization within our agency. This commitment is shared by employees at all ports and offices across the agency and is expressed in our motto: protection, service, and integrity. Every time a person or good enters Canada, the effectiveness of this organization is tested. Every crossing presents a unique and often complex set of variables. through our 6 pillars, we are modernizing our organization to ensure that this capacity for service excellence at Canada's border is strengthened in the years ahead. The changing times demand it, and at the CBSA, we are up to the task.